Now we're going to talk about how to get started building your email distribution list. Obviously, Let America Know, the core product is our email newsletter, and your email distribution list is critical. Here's a couple practice pointers on where to get your email distribution list. Start by thinking about case management. If you have a case management system, more than likely there's going to be a way you can export all of the email addresses in that case management system. If you don't know how to do it, talk to your IT people. There are different ways you can figure out how to have that exported. Second thing is think about the contact list that you may have sitting on your computer. If you're using Outlook, Outlook will have a way to export your contact list. Other type of programs that have contact lists do the exact same thing. A treasure trove for email addresses I've found to be your sent emails and your deleted emails. If you take a look in there, you may be surprised who you've been corresponding with, who you've talked to, who you've got email addresses from, and you may want to capture those. Remember, when we're talking about capturing your email distribution list, we're putting your email distribution list together. It's not just past clients, present clients, it's anybody. It's all of your contacts. It's those people that you have some type of a personal relationship with. It can be referral sources, friends, family. It doesn't matter. Because when messaging, all of these people are fair game. And you know, if somebody gets hurt, you have no idea who that is. And you have no idea who they're going to be affiliated with. So from a marketing standpoint, you want to get that out to as many people as you can. Also consider speaking engagements. If you're doing any type of speaking engagements, collect email addresses. Any type of areas where you can get business cards, any type of contact. Continue to build the list. Another thing that we do in our office is capture the email addresses of those who contact the office. We get many calls from people who actually don't have a case. And I've always found if you're nice to them and you explain to them why they don't have a case, they'll gladly give you their email list, and you now have a way to continue to communicate with that group of people. The email distribution list in the 21st century is an extremely important marketing asset. If you're not contacting those that you know, you're really missing the boat. It's easy to do, it's effective, and it doesn't take a lot of work. And so that's why we suggest think of all different ways to build that list.